Here is Miss Coco Bean today, the day after surgery. She's chilling. She's still, I think the methadone was really making her whine a lot. She cried all night. Now she's had her regular pain pill, and she's really completely relaxed. Um, she is, I had her up and out. We've been out. I just told her she has to wake up in a minute because we have to go out again. But the reason I'm making the video is now she's going to be 13, and her issue, her surgery issue, is that really through no fault of my own. And I want other owners to realize that when she got an infection in her jaw last year, they tried to remove the teeth that were affected. She had a collapsed lung. So she has had like a worst case scenario with a dental issue. And that is the public service announcement. When you have a dog, you have to pay attention to their teeth. If they have what she's gone through, which is a major infection in her mouth and jaw, it's not only the pain they go through. She never showed any pain, but her blood work has shown other issues. It can cause liver problems. It can cause other problems. Now, when your dog has a dental appointment, they have to put them out. They don't bother with, please hold still while we do this. They don't bother with that. This is what you're going to go through, what you should go through probably once a year, once every 2 years for any dog. The total cost for Coco's surgery was $2,485 and like 83 cents. We got a grant that took care of most of it, but it's still an expense. And when you have a service dog, it's a requirement, not by law or anything, but just to keep the dog healthy. When you have a pet, you may tend to put it off. They pulled 10 teeth. She has 17 left. And at some point in her life, without me knowing about it, or maybe before I got her, she lost 17 teeth. Dogs have 44 teeth. And because they tend to not display pain all the time, you need to stay on top of it. So Miss Coco Bean says, not only brush your teeth, but go see your vet. One other thing to add here, the average cost should be around $1,000. If I had taken her once a year to have her teeth cleaned, it would run around $1,800 sometimes. The more care you give it, the less you're going to run into expenses. She was intubated on a respirator. She still has a lung issue that they cannot define. She's an elderly dog who doesn't want to talk to the camera today. So we ran into issues that because of her age and her history, but if you stay on top of it from the beginning, it should run between $800 and $1,000 for each time. And it's really something to keep the dog healthy.